Welcome, amazing ladies and stunning women, to my new video. Today I present to you a captivating video showcasing incredible ideas. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty, elegance and attraction of the Pixie haircut ideas that are sure to capture your heart. So ladies and women, get ready to embark on a journey filled with the enchantment of these hairstyles. Are you ready to be inspired? This year we bring you the hottest trends in Pixie haircuts, tailored exclusively for you. These styles are meticulously crafted to make a lasting impression, leaving you feeling confident and utterly fabulous. And prepare for an incredible hair transformation. Ladies, get ready to witness the utter beauty and elegance of these pixie haircuts. Each style is a masterpiece, designed to make you fall head over heels in love with them. From modern to elegant, this collection offers something for everyone. Oh, and don't worry, if English is not your first language, I apologize, my English is not perfect, but fashion is universal language that transcends words. Just marvel at the shine, sophistication and sheer elegance of these hairstyles. They are tailored to make you feel like a fashionista. These ideas will elevate your style game to new heights, empowering you with confidence and grace. Embrace the most stunning pixie haircut you have ever laid your eyes upon. Let's now delve into the kingdom of the extraordinary charm that grayish, whitish and blackish colors found upon your short locks. Picture the luster that awaits as your hair embraces these breathtaking colors. The union of black and gray evokes a timeless attraction, giving sophistication and a touch of enchantment. These are the embodiment of hairstyling ideas. Reserved exclusively for your delights. Grayish color, whitish color, blackish and brownish colors. These are just a few of the magnificent shades that can enhance these hairstyles. The right hair color has the power to transform your look, adding depth and dimension to your haircut. These carefully chosen shades are meant to complement your features. I apologize if you hear any background noise. Please bear with me. And I promise it will not decrease the enjoyment of this video. some noise you may hear. Please bear with me. And I promise it will not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Prepare to be astonished by the transformation. These pixie cuts have the ability to take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and youthful look. Witness the magic as your hair goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You will be amazed by the impact these hairstyles can create. As you watch this video, you will notice the stunning range of colors that can transform your short hair into a true work of art. From classic black to warm browns, there's a color to suit your unique style and complement your skin tone. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. Unleash your inner fashionista with these stylish short haircuts. Whether you want a chic bob or a pixie cut, this video provides endless inspiration. These hairstyles are designed to make a statement and showcase your unique sense of style. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.